Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to be decorating in one of my A5 planners. I have them all together in here on these type of rings and wearing one of our prototype covers for the rings. Good, I wanted to show you a couple things first. These come with the vellum, and then they have the name page, title page. Well, I made some flora type stickers and I decorated this, so now that shows pretty through the vellum. I think I kind of went a little overboard and put too many flowers, but I like it. And then since this is the focus planner, it's very plain. So for the months, I just added a little bit because there's nothing on them. The leftovers got put on these. But today we are going to be planning for, this is what my February month looks like that I decorated, and we're going to be planning for the first week in February, right here. So I'm going to take these pages out. I've slit them so that I can just take them out. Oops, actually I did not. I slit the first one, but I guess I did not slit any of these other ones. So this is how this works. You just kind of undo these 6, spread them apart. I'm going to actually take all of February out and snip them so I don't have to do this again. So I just take them and snip them in the middle of the rings, or the middle of the hole, which are ring punched. Okay, so this is what we're doing today. I'm just going to put these back on here and close these back up so all my well-stocked pages do not get messed up. So this is quite full. I've got 3 Erin Condren planners in here and then some extra inserts for my financial part, finances and bills. I could have probably used the Erin Condren A5 budget pages, but I got the spiral book. I'm not sure if there's the right types of things I need in there, so I made up my own. So let's get back to this. We're going to plan for this week. I have a dirty desk. And since we're starting February, I've got my bills already written down here. Kind of jumped the gun a little bit. Shouldn't have done that, but you know how that goes. So I pulled out a couple of sticker books. I have Colorful Florals, and then I have this new one, Keep Going, and I really like this book. But the colors to me are kind of more fall. And I didn't know if being that Valentine, it's kind of Valentine's month, if I wanted brighter pink colors. So that's why I pulled this one out. So just let me glance real quick and see what I have left in here to use. I mean, there are some lots of bright colors, bright flowers. I guess I could use some of these and then leave that other one for another week. Maybe we'll do that. Okay, and then I also have my wax paper, so I'm going to pull out some stickers that I like and that I'm thinking of using. So I want pinks. I want bright pinks. Let's take this one and put it, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bills due on the 2nd. So I'll be paying them on the Monday or Tuesday. So I think I'm going to put this one in. Maybe, what else could we stick next to it? Maybe we can stick a flower behind it. Doesn't want to come off the paper. So we can either put the flower behind it or on top. I'll put it on top because that way we'll see more of it. I'm just going to stick this here and stick this one here. Since that one's there, I want to use this other big one over here, I think, on this side. So maybe this will go. On this side. Note it up here more. I could put this one. I don't like that. I think I'm gonna put up this up here instead. Kind of stretch this one out, and we'll put this one up here. Cut some off. I kind of miss adding stickers to my pages. I haven't been using these. I've been using the kits I've been making, and it's just a little different. This one looks kind of crooked. Yeah. It is. Let's see if we can get this to come back up. That's why I use the wax paper. Besides being able to lay out stickers that I want to use, it helps in pulling stickers back up really well. Okay, so this one is going to go over here too. Then what are we going to do with that big flower? All right, if we can stick this one. Stick this one more down here. More like this. And we could stick this here like this. I wish that was over a little more. Can we do it? Can we pull this one back up? Yep. Wax paper. Oops, we don't want it over there. Wax paper really, really helps. I kind of want more of the flowers showing. I'm going to put this one over here. Okay. I am just not feeling good at putting things straight today. Jeez. Okay, then we're going to get this one over here. So we'll just combine these two. Make it go off a little bit. Go do that too. Okay. And then we have this green stripe, which we really should put on this side. I think maybe I'll put it way down on the bottom because put it up here, it's going to cover that up. I mean, I could put it here, though, too, couldn't I? Because what am I going to write on there anyway? Who knows, right? Should I put it here? Should I put it here? This kind of balances out more. I think I'm going to put it down here because I'm not going to have more bills. Move it over a little bit more, though. I'm not going to have any more bills, and I don't know how many notes I'll have, so we'll just kind of bring some of the green down here from there. And then we have just these couple of small ones. I think I'm going to stick this over here because I may need to write something for that day. So I'll just put this one down there. And then we have 3 circles. So definitely want a green circle over here. And wondering, this is like kind of see-through. Maybe we will cut this so that we can put it up against the box right there. And then this one, we could just kind of put it up here to balance them. I want to cut this one too, or just kind of put it there. there. And then let's bring this one over here. So I'll cut on this side. And put this one next to here. There. I think that looks pretty good. And then I can write all my plans on the side here. Yeah, it looks really good. This is a little crooked. Jeez. I'd like to add some washi tape. Add some solid color maybe. I do have this Amy Tangerine washi that has hearts on it. And some other shapes. So I think I'm going to add this in a little bit here. Not, kind of want to try just to use the heart part since it's for Valentine's. Just going to kind of tear it like that. Where the hearts on, oh, the hearts are way down here on that one. I guess I could maybe stick it back on here. I'm going to put this one maybe right in here. Come on, stick down. I should put it there, if I should put it lower. It's kind of weird right here, so let's cover that. That covers up the flower. Too many pieces on my fingers. What if I take and cut this part off a little bit, or tear it off? There we go. And then it will fit in here a little better. I didn't really want to cover the flower too much. So just a little bit there and there, I think that should be good. I could stick some down here too. And polka dots and triangles and pluses. Should we try just the polka dots? There we go. All right, I think that looks pretty good. So let's put the pages back in here. All this noise from all my charms and scissors and everything. This one goes back in here. And this one goes in here. And then I will just write the bills that are due here. A bill that's due here. And then this is just going to be something at the end of the week or for next week. So that's it for a week in my A5 Focus Planner by Erin Condren with Happy Planner stickers. Until next time, bye-bye.